All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is a text editor. So I'm going to go to Google. We're going to type in text editor. Now, full disclosure, I do know what a text editor is. So a text editor is very simple. Is a type of computer program that edits plain text. Such programs are sometimes known as Notepad software, following the naming of Microsoft Notepad. So basically the idea of a text editor is they will highlight text depending on what the language is. So for example, Python would be in different colors than, let's say, JavaScript. Okay. And so when you program, all you're doing is writing text. So it's going to show up that way. Okay. So if you look at some of these images real quick, if we just look at a quick example, okay, you can see, okay, that's a text editor right there. And you see how it's highlighted here, okay? That's the syntax, and they're running a JS file, so JavaScript, okay? So that's what a text editor is. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.